Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Today I am going to show you how I made this delicious good looking shito. Okay guys, very simple method. You can do it yourself. Okay, these are my ingredients. I have powdered pepper, I have fish powder, shrimps, I have my peppercorn, black pepper, cloves, I have nutmeg, and also chili flakes, calabash, nutmeg, anise seed, and also bay leaves. I think I mentioned it before. In this bowl I have ginger, garlic, and onions, which I'm going to blend with vegetable oil, and of course I have tomato puree. Yes. Okay, tebusa for her say me want me chopped onions. Me ba beche na brown fe. Me pacho. Just watch the video to the end, and I will be how me yes shito way a very delicious pa. Okay, the onion is all ready. I will set it aside. Later on, I will show you what I'm going to do with it. All right, guys. So now I'm adding in the blended mixture, which is ginger and the garlic onions. Yeah. Oh my God, the fire is too hot. It's too high. I have to lower it, otherwise my shito will get burned. All right, guys. And don't forget to give it a good stir, guys. You have to stir. You don't need to go anywhere. If you want to watch TV or you want to do other things, you need to lower your fire to a very lower heat. Otherwise, you will destroy your shito. So give it a stir, and make sure that all the water will drain from your onions before you add your tomato puree, guys. At this point, I need to cover it and still keep an eye on it, guys. Okay, guys, so after 15 minutes, it's okay to add my tomato puree. Yes, and this one too, you have to give it a very good stir. Shito requires so much time and patience, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to add my fish powder, and this fish powder I made them myself. Sometimes it's very difficult to find from Afro shops, yeah, but in your location, if you can get some, that is so fine. But if you cannot get some to buy, just give me a comment under this video and let me know if you want me to make a video how I made the fish powder. Okay guys. My house smells so nice, guys. At this time, I wish my benkun or kinky is ready to go. Guys, I wish you all here so that I can scoop some for you, but I also trust that you can do it yourself. But please let me know if you tried this recipe, okay? Just give me a comment and I'll be so glad to hear that. Yeah guys, as you can see, there is no water in the shito, no bubbles at all. This shows that my shito is perfectly done. Most of the time we thought that shito supposed to be very darker whilst on fire, but no. As soon as your shito cools down, you will notice that you have a perfect color. Okay, you don't need to burn your shito before you notice that it's done. So at this time, I'm going to add the onion, the fried onion that I made previously, and also coconut oil. We are almost done, guys. Wow, look, shito na ya kono say. Ish. Me pacho, fauchen si nebeje wodi wate. Udi tutumika bra. Baby bia wubia, menim say, ubetimi aba. Bra, nebehwe video yi, nebeje wodi wate. Yo, so now made me coconut oil no so gumu. Yes, I'm adding my coconut oil. Well, the coconut oil part is optional, but I don't know why. I love coconut flavor so much. That is why I'm adding it into this recipe. But you can skip if you don't like it. All right. As we are coming to an end of this video, let me take the opportunity to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers. You guys are wonderful. May God bless you all. Please share and subscribe and click the notification button so that you can get my videos all the time. Thank you once more and happy Easter, guys. Bye bye.